So it's a fairly simple process. Just pop all these scrivets up. There's a couple of bolts underneath these plugs here. We'll undo those, we can get the wiper arms off, and then we can get this plastic off, and we can go from there. Once you're in here, there's three 10mm sort of bolts or nuts securing this wiper motor in place. And there's also a plug here that we'll need to undo. That's just got a squeeze point at the back, and then you can slide that out of the way. So there's the one nut and the two bolts. Now you can pull that assembly up and out of the way. So now with that plastic section removed, you can see there are a number of bolts that secure this black bulkhead piece onto the body of the car. There's also some wiring that ran up for those wipers. If we just pop that up and out of its little holders. And there's a large grommet here that you can just feed that wiring back through. For those watching closely, yes, I did break a clip there. I'm just going to zip these all off fairly quickly. Before I can lift this up, there's one more clip that sits in under here, and it's one of those type that's just pressed up onto what appears to be like a threaded section. Now we should be able to pry this up and get it out of the way.